Hello, welcome to Duce CRM. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and manage your contacts. This is one of the first thing you want to set up because almost everything else in the CRM, your deals, tasks, campaigns, almost everything connects back to your contact. So let's get into it. So this is your contact page over here. You can see all your contacts listed here when you have added contacts. And at the top, you can see the quick overview, how many contacts you have, customer, how many deals in progress, and the follow-ups for the week, how many are new, and also your overall contact activities. So add a new contact, you can add a new contact over here with this side button over here or new contact. A form pops up, this form over here, where you fill in the details, their name, their phone number. So the ones with the red asterisks over here are the most required ones. Those are your quick add. So you quickly add them. If you have more details, quick details, more details on the individual, maybe their email, company, whatever you have on them, you can add them. Then you click create contact, save and open your contact here. So now your contact has been created. Now if you click on your contacts, you would see their full profile from here. You can see all their information, your conversation history that you have had, every messages with them, any deals that is linked to them, tax related to them, and more. You can also reach out to them directly from here through their WhatsApp or call them directly or through their email, whatever you need. If you have a lot of contacts, you can use the search bar over here to find someone quickly, or use the filter option to sort by things like their tags or their date added or their status. This makes it really easy to find exactly who you are looking for. And that is it for contacts.